Oh, yes, we remember those days.
Mashed potato and a Monet.
Yes.
Explain.
What's happening?
So this is effective, very high-profile interventions by climate activists, and we saw this last week. Unfortunately for the activists concerned, on the same day, I think, that Liz Truss resigned, they did. They threw something at the Van Gogh sunflowers. Yeah, I can't remember what it was now off the top of my head, but some sort of food stuff.
Beans.
Beans. That was it. Beans. Yeah. So this is the latest attempt to, I suppose, in a very visible way, and that's the idea, to try and draw attention to the fact that the climate crisis is getting altogether worse.
It's very watery mash.
Sorry, our producer is going, our loud producer is going, that's terrible mash. Who would eat that?
Terrible mash. You wouldn't be eating
that. Looks like fake, that's own brand.
Terrible for eating, but excellent at achieving coverage across a priceless masterpiece. Yeah, so but I suppose it's drawing attention to the fact that,
it's a more serious issue.
A much more serious issue, and I think points to a growing kind of, militarism within the activist community. I mean, remember a couple of years ago we had the Extinction Rebellion protests in Dublin, which is something that we'd never seen before. And I think that perhaps we should get more used to this, because people are becoming more and more radicalised, and often with good reason.
And nothing's happened. Like, you just wipe that off. It's fine. There's nothing wrong with the Monet is fine. Don't worry about it, lads. But if the planet is gone in 100 years, the Monet's gone as well. Do you know what I mean?
And I suppose that's the idea that gets us talking about it.
So it was mash on a Monet.
Radishes at a Rembrandt.
Yeah.
Mushrooms
Carvery at a Caravaggio.
A whole carvery at a Caravaggio.
Yeah.
On a Sunday.
Yeah.
On a Sunday. We'll do mushrooms at a Michelangelo. Do you know, we'll just keep the alliterative thing going.
Keep them coming in.
We know it's serious. 0896 111 111. Jack Horgan-Jones, you've put in a great shift with us this morning. Thank you so much. Plenty to do today. At 2 o'clock is when we're expecting to find out who the PM of Across the Water is going to be.
It'll be Rishi.
It'll be Rishi. OK, he's already said it. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you again soon, Jack. Now, Rory McIlroy is on top of the world while Ronaldo's future is unclear. We've got the biggest sports stories coming up after the break.